It is clear the class war that Ruto promised during the campaigns is being actualized. This is how collapse begins. It is unfortunate that Ruto is so scared of losing legitimate power that he will damage the environment and the economy just to stay in office. But Ruto must make no mistake. I repeat, Ruto must make no mistake. This struggle will march on, stronger and mightier, with his every vile response until our demands are met. 1, the cost of goods must come down. 2, servers must be opened. 3, the reconstitution of IBC must be above board and consultative and bipartisan. And that reconstitution must also mean restructuring of the IBC. We have won against Ruto and his violence before. We shall win against Ruto and his violence again.